I want to start my video with a thought that most of you have already heard before. But I believe this is not something we should hear only once. This is something we should hear every day, again and again, especially if you dream of doing something big in life, if you want to become rich, successful, and respected. Bill Gates says, "If you are born in a poor family, it is not your fault. But if you die poor, then it is your fault." These are not just words. This is a responsibility. This is a challenge. This is a mirror that shows us who we really are. Hello, friends. In today's video, I am going to share 4 golden rules from the lives of people who have already reached success and wealth. These 4 rules are not only for rich people, they are for you, for me, and for everyone who believes in Bill Gates's words and wants to do something meaningful in life. So please stay with this video till the end, because this video can change the way you think and maybe even change your life. Friends, the first and most important rule is this: if you want a better future, start investing in your life today. And remember, the safest and most powerful investment in the world is the investment you make in yourself. Money can be lost. A job can be taken away. A business can fail. But the knowledge, skills, and experience you build inside yourself can never be taken from you. Just think for a moment. If you knew you would get only one car in your whole life, how carefully would you take care of it? You would not allow even one scratch. You would protect the engine, the tires, everything. In the same way, life has given you only one body and only one mind. So should we start taking care of it after 50 years, or should we start today? Always remember, the journey to success starts with investing in yourself. Improve your skills. Increase your knowledge, because no one is born perfect. Every person can learn, and every person can become better. So learn something new every day. Think better every day, and move one step forward every day. Friends, the second important rule is to know who you spend your time with. You cannot dream of touching the sky while living with chickens. If an eagle lives with chickens, eats with them, and lives like them, it will never learn how to fly. In the same way, find people who are already what you want to become. Spend time with them, learn from them, understand how they think. You will not even realize it, but slowly you will start becoming like them. Jim Rohn said it beautifully. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So choose the people around you wisely, because one day you will reflect who they are. Friends, the third rule is this: if you truly want a successful and peaceful life, do the work you love. Out of 24 hours in a day, we spend most of our time doing our work. If you are not happy with your work, you will not live from the heart, and you will not grow from the heart. If you want great success, learn to love what you do, because a person who does not love their work never makes history. And friends, the last and the hardest truth is this: if you want to succeed in life, never wish for an easy life. Because life is either easy or meaningful. It cannot be both. Accept change. Do not fear difficulties. Challenge yourself. And sometimes put yourself in hard situations on purpose. Remember this: success is always born inside struggle. Just like you cannot enjoy a coconut without breaking its hard shell, in the same way, you cannot taste success without breaking your comfort zone. So never pray to God for an easy life. Instead, pray for strength, patience, and courage to face difficulties. Because the person who learns how to fight problems, no power in the world can stop them.